So it is a very frequently asked question on the replication side for L2 and L3 dbs. Everyone used to ask this question: what are the different type of replication agents in SQL Server? So you can answer that as snapshot agent, log reader agent, distribution agent, merge agent, and queue reader agent. So these are five agents that are used in different type of SQL Server replication. Maybe you are using a snapshot, transactional, merge, peer to peer. That's it. Okay, so here is the detail about what is a snapshot agent. It is typically used with all the types of replication. It prepares a schema and initial data file of published tables and other objects stored in a snapshot file and recorded records information about synchronization and distribution databases. The snapshot agent run on distributor. Okay, so if you have know about how to configure that, there's a distributor database or distributor server, you can configure that. Okay, next, log reader agent. It is used with transactional replication. It moves transactions marked for replication for the transactional log on the publisher to the distributor databases. Each database published using transactional replication has its own log reader agent that runs on the distributor and connect with the publisher. Okay, next is distribution agent. So distribution agent, it is used with a snapshot replication and transactional replication, only two with that. Okay, mind it. It applies the initial snapshot to the subscriber and move transactions held in the distribution databases to the subscriber. The distribution agent runs at either distributor for the push subscriber or at the subscriber to the pull subscription. So there are two type of subscription: push and pull. Okay, merge agent, it is used with merge replication. it is it implies it applies the initial snapshot to the subscriber and moves the reconciles incremental data changes that occurs. Each merge subscription has its own merge agent that connect to the both publisher and subscriber and update both. Okay, the merge agent run at either distributor for the push subscription or subscriber to pull subscription. By default, the merge agent up- uploads change from subscriber to publisher and then download change from the publisher to subscriber. Queue reader agent, it is used with transactional replication with the queued updating option. The agent run on distributor or to and move change made at the subscriber back to publisher. Unlike the distribution agent and merge agent, only one instance of the queue reader agent exists to the service all publisher and distributor databases. So this is about that replication agents. So hope you like that answer. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.